welcome back to my channel. Today, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. I know, guys, I know, 3 videos back to back. You guys are probably wondering, like, what the heck? And I told you guys, once I have a vacation booked, like, that is my motivation to lose weight and to film, because it keeps me accountable. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I feel like I should always have a vacation booked. That way I'm constantly filming, and you know, just I have that little bit of motivation. So anyway, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today and show you guys what I eat in a day. Today is about week 5 or week 6 of my low calorie, high protein little lifestyle change here. Still keeping it low carb though. However, I am eating more carbs than I did when I was strictly doing like low carb and keto. But I will say, like, it feels so good to have my carbs back and to still lose weight at the same time. I don't know, I feel like I'm not as restricted. It's such a good thing mentally, that to know that, like, okay, if I'm going anywhere, like, I don't have to look at just like the lower carb options or the options that don't have rice or pasta or bread, you know what I mean? So counting my calories, being in a calorie deficit has definitely helped me in so many ways. And it makes me want to pick up the camera, because for a moment there when I was doing keto and low carb, I was just kind of like I eat the same things all the time. I can't just keep filming the same things, you know what I mean? Like, I've exhausted all of my low carb and keto friendly options. So for me to do low calorie and high protein, I think this definitely gives me that to like pick up the camera and film for you guys. And again, it's also keeping me accountable. So we're trying to keep it under like 1,300 calories, 1,200 calories, because that is what my PCP and my nutritionist said was good. They gave me the go, and it has been working. Weight has literally been melting, and I feel so good. And I hope that my videos and what I eat in a day videos can kind of give you guys inspiration and kind of just help you figure out, like, you know, what good low calorie meals are out there and how you can make things like low calorie. So anyway, I'm gonna not talk anymore and let's make breakfast. So we are gonna make a high protein breakfast this morning. I've noticed in the past few weeks, whenever I have something that's very high in protein in the morning, it keeps me full, obviously, for a very long time. So yeah, we're gonna make a little like yogurt parfait bowl. So we're gonna start off with this protein packed Greek yogurt. It's in vanilla and it's in the Light and Fit, and this whole thing has 12 grams of protein. If you're not a fan of Greek yogurt, that's okay. You guys can find regular plain yogurt. And then we're gonna do half of a banana. I'll save the other half for Kyrie. And then we're gonna add these oats and honey granola. This is packed with protein. A serving has 13 grams of protein if you do 2/3 of a cup. So we're gonna add that. Okay guys, and this is breakfast here. This has a bunch of protein in it from the yogurt, from the granola. Okay. So I am on my lunch break right now, so I don't know where to start. Let's start with strawberry. Banana, blueberry, granola. I love the crunch in the granola. So you guys know that I'm not like a huge like sweets breakfast type of person. I love my eggs, I love my sausage, I love my bacon. So this is definitely different, but it is so freaking good. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to pack this when I go into the office. Maybe I can just bring the yogurt because it's like individually packed, and then just like a little baggie of granola. I want you guys to leave me a comment and let me know what you guys like to have for breakfast. I need some more like creative things. Again, I always go to eggs and sausage and bacon, but if there's anything out there that you guys absolutely love and that's quick, leave me a comment, let me know. I need other suggestions. So I'm taking a break. I've been inside all day working, so I had breakfast and right now it's 2:30. So I just wanted to take a little 15-minute break, come and sit outside. I don't know if you guys can hear the birds and the insects. I drink water throughout the day, guys. I love this cup. I got it from Amazon. I think it was only like $12 or $15 maybe, but this is a 64-ounce bottle. I love it because it has like little markers to tell me where I should be. So right now I'm at the 5 o'clock and it's only 2:30, so I'm ahead of the game. So I've been just drinking this all day. I'll have the link down in my description box if you guys want to buy this exact bottle. I think it's so freaking cute and it's like so convenient. It has like a little handle, and we're gonna have a little snack. I've been so obsessed with these perfect keto Nola bars. This is in coconut chocolate chip. This is my third one this week. We've been sitting outside, so the chocolate has kind of melted already. Wow. I love the coconut and chocolate combination in anything, so like this is like the perfect little bar. So this bar has only 140 calories. It's keto friendly, it's low carb, it's paleo friendly, it's gluten free, and there's no sugar added. I just got a pack last week. Actually, not a pack, I got like 6 packs. Oh, someone's calling me. Sorry. Anyway, I got 6 packs last week with so many different variety. But this one, well, I don't know which one my favorite is, but today this one's my favorite. And even though I am counting my calories right now, this is still a really good low calorie snack to have, and there's no sugar added, so it's like a double win for me. I am still super mindful of my sugar and just making sure I'm not eating like heavy carbs or like too much sugar or things that have like lots of added sugar. So these definitely come in handy. That will keep me nice and full until we make dinner tonight. I have to actually go in and thaw the shrimp out. So I think we're gonna make like a little shrimp dinner tonight. And since they're having a huge sale, I want you guys to take advantage of their sale, and I want you guys to try all of their bars, because their bars are just, they're so good. There's like high protein bars, and again, most of these have no added sugar. They're all keto friendly, low carb, and just a nice little snack. This one in particular is just a granola bar, but it definitely does keep me full. So okay, let's go in and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, I wanted to show you guys the perfect keto bars that I have. So these are the granola styled bars. We just had this one, and this is my last one because I've been eating this all week. This one is so good, my favorite. This is the chocolate chip, the coconut chocolate chip. So they come in these really cute packs. There's 4 bars in each pack. This one is the coconut chocolate chip. There's peanut butter. There's white chocolate macadamia nut. And then there's maple pecan. So if you go on their website right now, they are having a huge sale. Their snack bar spotlight sale. And it's buy one. So you can buy one, get the other 50% off. Buy one, get the second one for 50% off. And you will get a free little gift if your purchase is over $85. So we have that. I love this. Good for on the go. And I don't feel guilty giving these to my kids in the morning for breakfast. You can have a little bar for breakfast, or if you need like a little sweet snack during the day like I did. I don't feel guilty because there's 0 grams of added sugar, okay? 0 grams. It's keto friendly, no sugar. And then these are the keto bars. So this is the variety pack, which has all 3 flavors. They come in chocolate, peanut butter, dark chocolate coconut almond, and my favorite, the mint chocolate. So what I love about these bars is that this keeps me full. The ingredients are so clean. They're gluten-free, soy-free. It's just rich. The texture is like a no-bake cookie fudge brownie type of texture. It's so good. And you can have any of these for breakfast just to kind of keep you full in the morning, or you can have it as a snack, or you can have it as a dessert. You really can have it anytime throughout the day. And I like to keep a few in my purse because when we're on the go, when the kids get hangry in the back seat, I do have goldfish in the car, but I do keep a couple of these Nola granola bars because they think it's granola bars. And they enjoy it too, and they love it. So I want you guys to head over to Perfect Keto right now. I'll have everything linked below down in my description box. Take advantage of their snack bar spotlight sale. You can try all of these granola bars, Perfect Keto bars with a discount. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and it's good until August 6th. And if your purchase is over $85, Perfect Keto will send you a little gift as well. So I want you guys to try it. Head over now, get a few boxes, check them out, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And again, their sale ends August 6th. So head over and check them out now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go run a few errands. Oh my goodness. He's not even 2 yet, guys. This is what I have to deal with. Okay, get up. It's okay. Oh. So what I was saying is that I'm gonna go ahead and run a few errands. But in the meantime, I'm gonna thaw some of this shrimp out. We're gonna make shrimp for dinner tonight. I love this pack. It's already cooked. I go back and forth between this and then the raw shrimp. But anyway, I'm gonna thaw. I'm gonna thaw this out, go run some errands, and then I'll be back to cook dinner. So, okay guys, it's 5 o'clock. It's time to make dinner. I'm pushing it today with dinner. I try not to eat after 6, and it's already 5, and I know it's gonna probably take me like a good 30 minutes to make dinner. So yeah, let's make it. So we have about that much shrimp. And oh, I didn't tell you guys what we're making. We're gonna make like a little Asian shrimp bowl. So first we're gonna make our shrimp. I'm gonna do a little bit of avocado oil. Okay, and then our seasonings. I have salt, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And it's about, I don't know, maybe a teaspoon of each. So we're just gonna throw that right in here. And then I just wanted to add just a little bit of this hoisin sauce just to kind of give it like a little bit of sweetness. And like kind of give it that Asian kick. Tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. Shrimp right in. And we'll cook this on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so super simple. We're gonna make cauliflower rice. This is the cauliflower medley. It has green onions, peas, and carrots. I'm just gonna throw this in the microwave. And then we're also gonna make these green beans on the skillet, some garlic butter. So this is really good. Okay, let's throw this in the microwave. And then we're just gonna add the full bag of green beans. Guys, I'm gonna quickly make spicy mayo. 2 ingredients. You'll need Japanese mayo. And then you'll also need sriracha. You can add more of whatever you want. Just kind of taste it. I'm gonna add a little more sriracha. Okay, now it's time to plate. green beans. And we'll add our shrimp. And I got this plate from Target. I will link everything below. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon too, so I'll have both links. But this big old plate, it's just so aesthetically appealing, and it was only $4 at Target. So anyway, just gonna add some green onion. All right guys, this is dinner, my low calorie dinner. It's about 5:30, so we've just made it before our 6 o'clock mark. We've got our cauliflower rice, our garlic butter green beans, and then our shrimp that we just kind of sauteed, seasoned, a little bit of hoisin sauce, and then I just made a little side of spicy mayo that I don't know if I'm gonna add it on top or just kind of dip it as I go, but look at that. So quick and easy, guys. I mean, if you don't want to do cauliflower rice, you can do like white rice, jasmine rice, brown rice, quinoa, but I just happen to have cauliflower rice, and it is much lower in calories, and it's low carb and keto friendly. And then the green beans, and then the shrimp, just something that I had in the freezer. So you can also do this with salmon, with chicken, even like steak. So just something quick and simple. So anyway, let's have dinner. Let's try our first bite. Shrimp, cauliflower rice. Oh, that's good. Wow, that is delicious. I thought I was gonna add seaweed, but I changed my mind. We're just gonna have it just like this because it's already super good. I think today was such a great day of eating. I stayed under my goal, or my calorie goal, and I had the parfait, the yogurt bowl for breakfast with fruits. I had the perfect keto bar for a snack. I had water all day, and then we have our shrimp, cauliflower rice, and a green bean little plate for dinner. And you know, I know sometimes you might have that urge, like you want a greasy burger, you want like, I don't know, like Cheesecake Factory pasta or something like that, you know, things that are like really high in calories, but you can make low calorie things at home that are so yummy. I think in my next video, or maybe the video after that, I'll do like a what I eat in a day, like while out, so like fast food or like ordering takeout, and you know, just kind of finding ways myself on ordering low calorie things that are still good and that will still, you know, fill my belly and fulfill my taste buds. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish dinner. Before I go, I just want to remind you guys to check out Perfect Keto. Anyway, I'll have everything linked below. Check their sale out. It ends August 6th, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day.